Alright. Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again, and I'm here with my daughter,
Emma.
So we are going to do a opening of a present and an unboxing, and then an installation. So I may split it up into a couple of different pieces real quick when I chop up the video. But anyway, so just a quick heads up, what happened was after the scamming video that Kristofer Yee did, the scammer's only response was a single email saying, basically just mocking us, saying, oh, that was a cute video, and nothing else since. So Kristofer Yee, being the kind of guy that he is, a great and wonderful friend and just an all-around great guy, he said that what he was going to do is donate the money from the graphics card scamming video to the purchase of an item for my daughter. So we have that item here, and my daughter is going to go ahead and open it. It's a gift to her from, originally it was supposed to be from me, but this is going to be from Kristofer Yee because he's making up for the fact that I got scammed. So, you want to go ahead and open it?
I don't know what it is now. I don't like boxes. I don't like surprises.
Careful. There's a tag here I don't want people to see. Go ahead and open it. Kind of hard to watch her opening this.
Don't judge me. I like opening boxes like this. I'm weird. Give me the scissors.
Just be careful.
I'm gonna murder a box.
Just be careful.
I will be, but I'm gonna murder a box. It's gonna be one of those nice, neat murders. For the most part. Get my aim right.
Giant bubbles! That's exactly what she wanted!
No, I hate bubbles.
See? Perfect gift. Thanks, Kris.
I hate bubbles. I hate loud noises. I don't know what it is.
Alright, so...
I know what this is. I think.
This is a new graphics card. It is a GTX 1060 3GB gigabyte WindForce card. So it is better than the 1050 Ti, and it is not what I had hoped for as far as what I was trying to buy, but it is a spectacular gift from anybody, and it is awesome that Kris was willing to do this. So what do you think?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you be a little more excited?
I am excited. I just don't show my excitement for
I know. But they won't know that. So this card, why don't we go ahead and open it?
I'm opening boxes.
Go and pull it up.
Mag.
You want me to open it, or do you want to open it? Okay, keep going.
I'm ready to open things.
Alright, so do you mind if I show it off? Okay. So here is the graphics card. It is a gigabyte GTX 1060 WindForce 3GB model. It uses one 6-pin adapter for power. It has a plastic backplate. Although it's not metal, it still looks amazing. It also is fitted to the overall design, so it doesn't have those gaps that a lot of the others do. It has a black and red theme, so it looks very sleek and great. It has two DVI ports, a HDMI connection, and a DP or DisplayPort connection. So it has plenty of options for monitors. And when it's sitting inside the computer, the gigabyte should, with lights hitting it, be visible. So it'll be really cool and attractive. It is an awesome looking card. So this is the gift that she received. This over here is her computer. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is have her go ahead and swap it out as a part of this video. So I'm going to have this set aside just like this right here. We have our trusty screwdriver for her to use. I'm going to go ahead and pop the panel off the side. And she is going to go ahead and do this with any help that she needs. I'll give her.
Which she has no idea how to do.
Alright, So first thing that I would do is take this out, and to do that you just simply push in this little piece here, and then you kind of gently rock a little bit as you pull out. Just make sure you pull straight up. Limits. There you go, perfect, awesome. That was pretty easy overall. All right, so the next step, we're gonna need to pop out these screws here. This card does use 2 screws, so we're gonna go ahead and pull those both out.
You're not liking me. This screw just doesn't like me.
Let's see here. Well, you know what? I think it's just because of this plate here. So we'll just remove the plate first. Usually I remove the plate after. That way it keeps the screws going straight. So.
This screw's pretty good.
Yeah. Alright. And then this piece here just pulls right off. So go ahead and finish that. And I'll just make sure it doesn't fall anywhere. There we go. Alright, so now on this motherboard, if I remember correctly, there's a little lever right here. Do you see it? Little looks like this piece here?
Yeah.
Okay, push that down and then pull the card like this, and it should come right out. You want to pull it from this side.
Push it that way?
Right, you want to like a door opening. So you got to push down on the piece.
Pushing down.
Okay, push.
Yeah.
Pull. See? There you go. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and set this card down, and then go ahead and grab that card, and it basically just goes the reverse. We just plug it right into that spot.
How?
Flip it around.
I knew that. You know, I knew that. I totally knew that.
And then it just lines up. There you go. And then you just put it into this slot or socket, and then push down.
Yep.
Alright,
just doesn't like
so
this.
then we're just going to kind of do reverse of what we did this way. So we're going to put that in. So go ahead and screw this screw in. Okay, push in. There you go. Screw.
Dag.
There you go. Going good? Don't worry about that, it's not anything vital right now.
Eek. Sorry.
That's all right.
Okay.
Alright, and then we're just going to put in these 2 screws back. We'll put them on the outside, so hopefully this time it'll be a little bit nicer. So just go ahead and screw that one in. And I'll help keep it a little steady for you. And we'll go ahead and put this one in. There you go.
You're a cricket little screw.
Yeah, sometimes these frames don't hold up. This is a budget build, so it's got a case that the
So
frame.
gorgeous.
I love it. I'm glad that you picked it out.
I have great taste.
You do have great taste. All right, so that is in place. So now the last part of our process is going to be to plug this back in. Now this piece here needs to go on this little clip. So there you go. So just go ahead and put that in. And then just make sure it's in. Yep, perfect. So now, that's how it looks. What do you think? Yeah? You think with the lights it's going to look good? So there we go, guys. There we go, everybody on YouTube. This is her upgraded machine with a 1063 gigabyte card from Gigabyte. I will go ahead and have a video of this done up, and I will see about taking some pictures later of it with all the power going through it, so the lights and the fans are going, and see how it looks. And what do you say to Kris?
Thank you.
For?
It's awesome.
Yeah? Alright. Thanks, Kris. It's appreciated, man. you didn't have to do it and you did, and I really appreciate it, and my daughter does too, and she's happy to have her gift that I was trying to get her. So thank you so much, man. And YouTube, thank you for watching this video, and for all those that are part of the Discord as well as the YouTube channels of both myself and Kristofer Yee. Thank you so much for all the support you've given, both emotionally with the wishes of good things as well as any financial or physical items that you've done. We appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. It means a lot that this community is so great of a community. Thank you. What do you think?
It's awesome.
It's awesome? Alright. Well, have a good day, YouTube. See you on the next video.
Now you just have to help me get this plugged in.
I do? But you're a tech person now.
I'm not a tech person. I know the basics of the hardware. I don't know how to plug it in. So I don't know how to build one, I just don't know how to plug it in. Because you never taught me that. And don't see you did, because I'm going to do one of Twisty Thinkies.
Okay. Tell you what, I'll just get them into the thing and you can put them in.
Because with the whole bubble thing, no bubbles. I hate loud noises.
Dang it.
The only time I like loud noises is if it's part of my music. Now, if it's part of a music like in one of the videos I'm listening to, that's okay. The music I'm playing, that's cool. Or like Julian's being obnoxious and overly loud, that's okay. But like balloons and bubbles popping, don't like loud noises like that.